This massive abandoned high school was built around 1923 in a quaint village on the east coast of the United States. In 1959, the village built a new high school, and this property was used as a grade school until a new grade school could be completed in the late 1970s, leaving this property vacant. Do the math, and this school has been forgotten over 40 years ago. Let's head inside and check it out. I really love these old schools. You think about how many kids went to school here every day for years. It's one old bicycle. It's a Schwinn. You can still see some of the paintings left over from when it was a school. This is really old, but no year. Oh no, I'm in trouble. Health. Look how tall these ceilings are. I mean, they're huge. Look at the size of that boiler. Not gonna lie, the wind is just uber creepy. Look at the stalls. The red doors, still totally intact. And all 4 toilets. And 2 more stalls. Definitely not going to open them. Look at this view. Wide open. Look at the spider web. What's this say? Bandaging. Make sure the bandage is snug. This is health class. This broken glass. That wind is just whistling. This looks like the main entrance. Oh, there's a cat. God, creepy cat. We got our trusty bear mace. If anybody wants to get bear mace for their own adventure, check out the link in the description. I've got links for everything. Wow. We'll check that out next. Let's finish this left side. English literature books. Just trashed. Look at this safe built into the wall. Look at the books. I hear the pigeon, but I don't see the pigeon. That whole wall is gone, but the door is still there. This is where I could hear the pigeon. I think it's up there. There's holes in the floor. This looks like a control panel for something. The intercom. Too bad it's long gone. Wow, look at this. And look at all the books. And it goes right into the auditorium. There's so much to see right here. We have a cool old bike. And I don't mean just like kind of cool. I mean like super cool. And it's on the kickstand. We have a wall of books. Look at the ceiling. All the shapes and all the lines come to the center. Let's finish this left side. Here's another bike. This one is a executive. Look at those ape hangers and that seat. Wow. Nobody else has been here in a long time. There's spider webs everywhere. The birds. Oh. I peed a little. So you can see where they tied the ropes for all of the curtains and everything they would raise and lower. The lights are still up there. Ooh. Ooh. Look. To control the lights. I hope you can hear them. And woodwork all the way around, including this column. Or at the top, it's got the corners, and you can see the curtain is still there. The curtain is still hanging up there. It's amazing. And the curtains on those windows, they're still there too. I bet the ceilings in this room are 30 feet tall. They still have some of the original chairs here. I have to be really careful. This floor is basically caving in. This is just an absolute gem. The stairs are still there, and you still have the seats. I mean, that is... I say wild a lot, but this is wild. Look at these seats. Still there. And the curtains. Let's see if we can head upstairs and get on the balcony. Many of the seats are gone. You can see the original colors on the stairs were gray, and then they painted them red. We still got 2 more floors. As we go up in floors, we need to be a little more careful, because there's things like that. Look at the old tube TV. And look at this desk. No freaking way. I've only seen these setups in movies. I've never seen one in real life. And look at the hardwood chairs. Look at the wear from the students over the years. I mean, where's that guy gonna sit? There's an electrical box there. Imagine how many students sat here and watched their teacher. Here's the balcony. The floor is trashed. And the birds are wild. Birds. Good God Almighty. Birds. Okay, just get away. Birds. He made it. That is a lot of poop. Look at that. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm not trying to do that to you. Can you just stop? Okay, looks like we're in the kitchen. Okay. Birds, I'm going this way. Let's head up. What are these rooms? We've got lockers or storage cubbies. Old coat hooks. And actually we have full-size lockers too. I smell a gym coming. This is another set of lockers that's tipped over. I don't want to pass this door up. Oh my. Oh. Thanks, wind. Look at all the birds. The floor is still here. And it's got these huge cages over the windows. I could see this from the outside, and I wondered what those holes were for. I think this used to be an auditorium, and they framed it in. And there were seats up there, and somebody ripped them out. I bet there are 100 birds in here. Okay, that's an exaggeration. I bet there's 40 birds in here. Hey, whoever wrote this, I don't condone graffiti, but live the adventure. I have a feeling that these birds are gonna knock that drop ceiling down because I can literally hear them walking on it. Backboard is still here. And look at that. I don't know what that was up there. We'll have to check that out. It's gonna start getting dark. Let's keep moving, folks. You can see something here on the wall I just noticed. I can't read it. Grade 6 AC ST AG and then total. I don't know what it is, but it's something. I also don't know what these were. So if you know what those are, let me know. I just wonder how long I have to wander around this place before I continue to find crazy things. And I wonder how much cool stuff is under bird poop. I mean, let's just make an assumption. Lots of cool stuff. Let's head up what I believe is the last flight of stairs. All these cool desks that people would probably kill to have in their house. I know I'd kill to have a couple in my house. My 3-year-old would love it. I gotta get pictures of the outside of this place. I didn't get any of the front yet, so I gotta make sure I get that. This does look like this was at one point bleachers, and it overlooked so people could watch the game. So that's definitely pretty cool. More books. Lots and lots and lots of books. Look, it's actually got a skylight. So that's pretty cool. We've got a library. Non-fiction. Fiction. You were one of the kids that had one of those elevated rooms, or a teacher, and you know why they did that, let me know. Look up. It is just super cool. All hardwood doors everywhere. Let's head down. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and share it on other social media platforms. It really helps us out. And as always, until next time, be safe out there.